Hi, I am Ansh Sharma and I was a part of Anastasis Academy Project VITA 4.0. My experience with Anastasis Academy has been amazing to say the least. Shankar sir is one of the best mentors and teachers that I have had the experience to study from. The course is structured in such a way that for all the topics, Shankar sir teaches us from the absolute basics, gradually moves on to the advanced topics in a well structured manner. That personally helped me to build my foundation in all the topics. Uh, Apart from this, for after all the classes, we had dedicated class sheets which had a lot of challenging questions, and for all the class sheets, we had video solutions. In my opinion, that is way better than just having textual solutions because in video solutions, the understanding part is more easily able, like the student is easily able to comprehend. And for all the questions that were done in class, whether it was in QA or in DILR, multiple approaches were taught during classes and even in the solutions of the class sheets. Apart from this, we had a ton of material on the portal with regards to practice content in the form of topic tests, sectional tests, mocks. There was so much content on the portal that any student, first off, I'm pretty sure that no student can complete all the content on the portal. This was done, and all this was done without hampering the quality. The quality was top notch. The quality of questions was top notch. The quality of mock tests, the sectional tests, everything was top notch. This ensured that personally, I did not have to look anything outside of the portal. I relied completely on the material that was provided on the Anastasis Academy portal itself. Uh, apart from this, I think the main USP of the course is the ability for a student to unmute themselves and directly get their doubts clarified with Arvind sir during the live classes. I think that is way better than writing your doubts via chat because when you unmute yourself and talk to sir, your doubts, he's able to understand at what point you got that particular thing wrong and the doubt gets resolved quickly. And it also ensures a two-way communication between the student and Shankar sir. Apart from this, we also had a Telegram group in which, in any case, if we had any doubts, we could post our questions there, and they were usually resolved within the first 24 hours. And mentorship sessions were conducted weekly throughout the year. I personally think that those were a game changer for me because any doubts that I had during the course of my prep, whether it was related to mock tests or analysis of mocks or anything in particular, I could always ask in those sessions. As we came closer to the CAT exam, Arvind Shankar sir held live mock attempts and also analysis classes and decision making classes as well. These classes were held to show to show everyone how to actually attempt the paper in a smart way so that we can get the low hanging fruits. We can get the low hanging fruits out of the way so that we are able to increase our scores. We are able to maximize our scores. Those were of tremendous help, especially in the DILR section where set selection is crucial. And apart from this, I think mentorship was provided throughout the year. Sir always used to give actionable advice, only practical advice, no motivation, Nothing was provided which was not practical. Each and everything that Shankar sir told, it was not easy, but it was simple. I personally think that if I took one step, Shankar sir took 10, and I'm really grateful for it. I'm really glad that I could find a mentor and a teacher like Shankar sir for my CAT preparation, who helped me tremendously throughout my CAT preparation journey. So I would like to thank him for being there, for always being there for me and for other students as well.